grabe yun, di ba?
Imagine, I mean, 25 to 30% yayaman ng mga Amerikano.
Oo.
Tayo dahil we have more money in our
To
pocket.
spend. Oo. And kaya nga, a lot of people are trying to just figure this out. Ano ba ang tariff talaga? What is it gonna do to the people of
this is my
United
personal
States?
opinion, okay? I know we're gonna suffer.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
temporarily.
Temporarily.
Yes.
Yeah.
Pero over time in the future, I think it will really benefit all of us.
Yes. Yes.
I mean, what do you think?
That's the same view that I'm having.
Yes.
Yeah, because in the long run, kung ano man yung, kasi you have to understand, guys, United States the biggest consumer in the world.
Yeah, oo
Tayo,
nga. Oo
diba?
nga.
Tayo lahat, tayong talaga ang pinakamalaking
No, kasi
consumer.
we're a first world country.
Correct.
So we consume a lot.
Correct. And then this is what I'm thinking, right? So kung yung tariff natin, kung ano man ang nandun, that could replace kung ano man ang yung mga kinukontribute natin as mga taxpayer, kasi nga unfair naman talaga kasi, Elizabeth.
Alam mo,
puro tax na lang one after another.